Hi guys, welcome back to ASX Market Watch and charting trend signals around the world. This week I'd just like to get back to basics, look at the All Ordinaries, the Australian market. This is the market that I personally trade, and also the sectors that are outperforming. Whether you're a stockbroker, whether you're a financial planner, whether you're a retail investor or an institutional investor, it is absolutely important to know which sectors are outperforming and which are underperforming, and make sure that you adjust your portfolio accordingly. This is just absolute gold, and yeah, really, let's just jump straight into it. This is the All Ordinaries. This is made up of the top 500 stocks on the Australian share market, and what we're looking at is a couple of weeks ago we called a little breakout, a little upward breakout here. Since then, the market has traded sideways still. What the market is trying to do at the moment is close above this previous high back in October. So that is the high that is currently giving us a little bit of resistance. And what that means is there are sellers at that level. So as you can see, it has this long bar which closes low. And again, if I just get rid of that, we've got a very similar thing, like another bar that starts low, closes low, and another one up here. So what that means is there are still sellers pushing the market down at that level, and also what that means is if it does break above that level, that's a really solid medium-term sort of signal for an upward move. And yeah, so basically it means that the buyers have overcome. What the good news on the All Ordinaries at the moment is that what we're seeing is these higher troughs. So what that again means is that there are buyers at these levels. So while we've got sellers at this top level up here, buyers at these levels, but the buyers are getting progressively more, they're progressively willing to buy at higher and higher levels. So that's an excellent sign. Eventually, what I expect to see is that the market breaks out of this topward range and heads upwards around about here. Now, if it does that, what we're looking at is, let's have a quick look, the upward price target is approximately 4,600 on initially, and the top target is 5,000. So that's basically what I'm looking for at the moment. Just to give you an idea, nothing works 100% of the time. If it does break down below this level here at about 4,300 or about 4,250, both of those levels are strong levels. So if it does break down below that, then that would be a stop loss or an exit signal for myself. It would indicate that the pattern had failed for now. So yeah, look, in the meantime, what we've had is the market has been trading sideways, but also individual sectors within that market have been outperforming. So really, really quickly, what we've got, probably some of the best have been over the last couple of months, is healthcare. This is healthcare, as you can see the red bar here, absolutely outperforming by about 10%. That's the All Ordinaries, the blue line there. Financials is really outperforming, and last week we actually called a few entry signals on the banking stocks. So like your Westpac, your ANZ, Macquarie's had an entry signal for a couple of months, and all of them have been doing really, really well. Also, just really quickly, info technology or IT has it's sort of been outperforming the market. It's sort of coming sideways there a little bit, but it is still outperforming the market and doing well. And industrials is absolutely doing fantastically as well. Now and property is actually starting to just outperform, as you can see here. So now outperforming by around about 7%. These are all really good signs. All these individual sectors doing really, really well, and this is happy, happy days. What we're looking at, sectors that are not doing so well, is materials and resources. So look, don't be fooled by what you hear in the media, because these sectors, at least according to the market, are not doing well, and that's extremely important, especially if you're investing in these sectors as well. And just another aside to that, the gold index. This is gold. This is the red line here. Look at the difference there. It's underperforming the market by around about, what is that, 18%? That is terrible. I mean, and there are so many gold bugs out there who just love their gold stocks. They're like, everybody buy gold, it's a great hedge. But look at it, it's not a hedge if it's doing terribly, that's not really the point. Your point in the share market is to make money. So obviously you don't want to be investing in something that's going to the doldrums. At least that's my personal take on it anyway. So apart from that, like individual sectors, individual stocks within these sectors, as I was saying, looking at the financial sector, what do we have? We had Westpac Look at that, like a beautiful little run up over the last couple of weeks, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Another one, you'd be looking at your ANZ, I think we were saying last week. Look at that, how good is that? And you don't have to get in right at the bottom, but if you get in and just take a chunk out of that trend, then that's exactly what you want. I'm not sure of any others that are, some of the property trusts are doing well as well. Commonwealth Bank is very, very, very close. If not, look, another day up, and that'd be a happy day on Commonwealth Bank as well. And I think Macquarie, look at Macquarie, just a stunning little entry signal up there, and it's still pumping along. Whoop! If I just increase that so you can see it a little bit better. Still pumping along very, very nicely. And that's the point of our analysis. That's why we look at the market the way we do. And it makes so much sense, doesn't it, to just invest in those sectors that are outperforming and find strong stocks or stocks that are trending upwards within those strong sectors. It just makes so much sense, and it just makes the market a little bit of a nicer place to be, which I absolutely love. So guys, that's basically Australia. That's the Australian market. That's Chart Watch. Have a great week. I'll catch you next week, hopefully. And until then, happy trading. Bye for now.